Hey guys, Justin here from SSC Garage. We went to the junkyard today, got the whole rear subframe, our fuel tank, everything that we need for the car. We went and got it in our little Civic truck there. Seemed like it works pretty good. It all fit in the car. But what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take the fuel pump out of this tank that we just picked up because, you know, we don't know if it works or not. And we're going to take the one out of my old tank and put on here. Guy did us pretty good on this. Real cheap for the parts. Didn't hurt us too bad. So we're able to get this thing back together. So we're going to do a little time lapse and get this thing put back together and see what you guys think. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, as you see, we got the subframe back up under the car. The only thing we actually have to do still is put the rotor on and the caliper. We're actually going to change this caliper line. As you guys can see, it got cut pretty bad. It didn't bust, but we don't want it to bust. We don't want no problems when we go back on the first. So we're going to change this caliper line out, change this bracket, because you can tell we bent the bracket too. We're going to change the bracket out because we got the new bracket and the piece with the car that we need, so we'll take the top of that line out and put our line in it. We got a new bracket for the car. We actually have to go get some new drill bits. Mine are obviously junk. They wouldn't drill these out. Typical Honda rotor bolts won't come out. We got to drill them out. Then we can take these rotors, put them on the other side, and we'll have this thing all back together in the rear end. Only thing we got to do is put it back in time and put the water pump back on it. Other than that, a good day's work. We pulled it out of the junkyard this morning. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We already got it back up under the car and bolted up and done. It's square, everything's straight on the rear end, so we're not going to dog walk going anywhere. It's gonna drive straight. So we took the fuel pump out and swapped the fuel pumps. The new tank ended up having 2 or 3 gallons of water in it, rusty old nasty water, which would have put us out of the race within lap 1 probably. So we took it all apart, we dried the tank out, we got all the rust out of it. We shouldn't have no problem with it. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get all our new videos that we upload, and have a good day. We'll see you on the first.